Namaste, my beloved friends. As you slowly come to the very end of Rahu Mahadasha, a very natural question begins to arise within you. What will happen next? What will Jupiter Mahadasha bring into your life? And around Jupiter Mahadasha, there are many myths. Some people believe they will suddenly become very rich. Some think fame will come effortlessly. Some imagine that a miracle will happen overnight and their entire life will transform. But the reality is very different. When Jupiter Mahadasha begins, the real question is not what will I get, but why I have been given this opportunity. Why has life offered me this rare phase of Jupiter Mahadasha? What is the true meaning of this period? These are the deeper questions I am answering in this podcast. Always remember one fundamental truth of life. The whole purpose of life is to get ready. Many times people ask, when will I meet my master? And the answer is very simple. The master appears when the disciple is ready. This readiness depends entirely on your capacity to surrender. The more you surrender, the more ready you become. And when surrender becomes total, when there is no resistance left within you, that is the moment the master appears before you. And then Lao Tzu gives an even deeper insight. He says, when the student is ready, the master appears. When the student is truly ready, the master disappears. Because the true master never wants dependency. A real master values freedom above everything else. So when the disciple becomes truly ready, the master disappears. This is why Jupiter Mahadasha is an extremely significant period in the life of an evolved soul. If the soul is evolved, Jupiter Mahadasha becomes a powerful phase of spiritual growth. But if the soul is not evolved, this golden opportunity is simply wasted. I have shared many such insights in this podcast. Those who are genuinely walking on the path will benefit deeply. It will bring clarity and it will also break many myths around Jupiter Mahadasha. So let us begin. Jupiter has very little to do with money. Jupiter has everything to do with wisdom. So if you are completing Rahu Mahadasha and expecting that the moment Jupiter Mahadasha starts, money will start raining, then understand this clearly. You are living in a fool's paradise. Jupiter Mahadasha is about self-growth. Rahu Mahadasha pushes you into illusions and distorted desires. Desires that lead you nowhere. Yes, during Rahu Mahadasha, you may earn money. You may even earn millions. But you remain under the dark shadow of ignorance created by intense desires that haunt you for 18 long years of Rahu Mahadasha. During Rahu Mahadasha, you make many wrong decisions in your personal life and in your professional life as well. Corrupt thoughts, corrupt actions, slowly all of this pulls you away from God consciousness. You may look like a human being, but internally you function like a two-legged animal, driven by desire, fear and greed. But when you enter the benevolent Guru Mahadasha, the benevolent Jupiter Mahadasha, something begins to change. Slowly, very slowly, you start coming back to your senses. You begin transforming from a two-legged animal into a conscious human being. That is the primary goal of Jupiter Mahadasha, to restore human consciousness within you. So the idea that Jupiter Mahadasha exists to shower money is a myth. Money is not important to Sri Guru. What matters is this: you return to your senses, you evolve, you correct the mistakes made during Rahu Mahadasha. Self-growth is the central theme of Guru Mahadasha, Jupiter Mahadasha. And remember this carefully, my fellows: the more you grow within, the more capable you become of earning money. But now the difference is, the money you earn stays with you. You are able to save. You are no longer living a robotic, unconscious life. Rahu Mahadasha is a robotic life, an ignorant life. Guru Mahadasha gives you the opportunity to live consciously with awareness. Jupiter or Guru Mahadasha expands the horizon of your awareness. Now let us briefly understand what happens during the Antardashas of Guru Mahadasha. The first, Guru Antardasha. This is a high voltage awakening phase. It is as if you wake up from an 18-year coma. Just like waking up after deep sleep is uncomfortable, this phase can feel confusing. It is not very productive externally, but internally awareness begins to arrive. The second is Guru-Shani Antardasha. This is when signals of wisdom start appearing. Either you consciously seek wisdom or a wise person enters your life. Many people meet their gurus or masters during this phase. The third is Guru-Mercury Antardasha. Your interest in books of wisdom increases during this dasha. Your communication improves. Your financial management becomes better. Your standard of living rises steadily. The next is Guru-Ketu Antardasha. This is a deeply spiritual and cleansing period. Evolved souls experience profound spiritual shifts. If black magic or negative energies were affecting you during Rahu Mahadasha, then this is the phase where remedies and helpers appear. This is an intense cleansing cycle. You feel lighter, happier, and more evolved. The next phase is Guru Venus Antardasha. This phase brings comforts and pleasures, but with awareness. Living a luxurious life and enjoying luxury are two different things. Many people drive BMWs but cannot enjoy the drive. Some enjoy even a simple car deeply. You may eat in a 5-star hotel and still not enjoy food the way you enjoy a home-cooked meal. This period gives you the inner setup to actually enjoy life, but with awareness. The next phase is Guru Sun Antardasha. This is a powerful visibility phase. Your aura shines. People start noticing you. You may wonder why your talent is being noticed now when it existed earlier. This is how the world works. Suddenly, demand rises. The more self-work you have done earlier, the greater the rewards will be now. The next phase is Guru Moon Antardasha. This phase settles you internally. Meditators progress rapidly. Even ordinary people become mentally sorted. Love increases from your partner and from your mother. And the next phase is Guru Mars Antardasha. You become action oriented and conscious. You think before acting. Your productivity increases. You receive support from seniors and authority figures. And the last phase is Guru-Rahu Antardasha. This phase redirects desire. You may still have desires, but now they are of higher quality. Desires cannot be destroyed, my fellows. Desires cannot be destroyed, but desires can be purified. And so, what do I mean when I say desires can be purified? Let me give you the most powerful example. When Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj conquered Kalyan, the Queen of Kalyan was presented before him. She was extraordinarily beautiful, but Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj looked at her and said, "How wonderful it would have been if my mother were so beautiful." He related her to his mother and released her with honor. This is purified desire. Rarely India has seen such a king of such a high caliber. It is rightly said, had Shivaji Maharaj not existed, much of the Indian subcontinent would have been forcefully converted. The another example is Emperor Akbar. Though born Muslim, he transcended religious boundaries. He embraced wisdom, tolerance, and unity. Even Osho acknowledged Akbar as one of the greatest rulers of his time. When desire is purified, transformation happens. You become more loving, more tolerant, more mature. Self-transformation depends entirely on the purity of desire. And Guru-Rahu Antardasha gives you the opportunity to elevate desire through awareness. Jupiter expands self-awareness, and with that, the quality of life rises. So understand this clearly. Guru Mahadasha is not about show off, cars, properties or status. It is about wisdom. During Rahu Mahadasha, you chase money. By the end of Guru Mahadasha, money starts chasing you. Because prosperity follows wisdom. As Haida Khan Babaji says, nothing can be achieved without knowledge. Yet, everything can be achieved through a pure heart. Jupiter Mahadasha purifies the heart. It inspires meditation, chanting, and readiness. Because Saturn Mahadasha follows, where you reap the fruits of all this learning. So if you are in Guru Mahadasha, remember one thing: get ready. Whether for material success or spiritual awakening depends on your inclination. But readiness is essential. The master appears only when the disciple is ready. This sharing is for those who resonate. Love to all my close followers. Meditate daily. Meditation slowly becomes enlightenment. One day you suddenly realize, where is the mind? Where is the noise? You become hollow like a bamboo, but full of joy. You sing without reason. You dance without learning. That is enlightenment. But do not make it a goal. Meditation is enough. Everything else follows. Jai Sri Ganesha. Jai Guru.